welcome back. I'm in the middle of a lower intake manifold repair on a 2000 GMC Jimmy. And what you're looking at here is a clogged and stopped up sludge-filled coolant passage causing this vehicle to overheat.
Nasty.
Before I put this lower manifold back on, I'm going to rinse out this lifter valley with fresh new oil and clean out any debris that may have gathered here while the thing was taken apart. I have not drained the oil pan yet, so the pan should be overfilled with spilt coolant plus the oil that I'm adding to it in order to wash it out. I'm gonna fast forward through time to the end of the repair where I pull the drain plug in order to do the oil change at the very end.
That coolant passage was completely stopped up. Wow.
I know I could have put some rags here in the lifter valley to try and mitigate any additional dirt or debris entering the engine, but this thing was so filthy it was going to get an oil bath and a deep cleaning from the top side anyway, so the rags would have been a moot point. The reason that I'm showing all of this right now instead of in the full-length repair video is to prove that I did in fact add several quarts of oil to the engine as part of the cleaning procedure. Don't rip on me in the comments section for anything that you see right now. Much of the footage is missing. As I mentioned, there is a full-length repair video coming out soon. I just want to prep everybody for what I find next. Get ready, because I sure wasn't.
Okay, it's mostly cleanish. I'm gonna take a blow gun and clean this valley out. Then I'm gonna dump a couple quarts of oil into here just to wash out any other debris, because I do not want all this powdered silicone debris floating around inside of my engine. I need to clean this out before I go to start this after I reassemble. Oops. Okay, let's give this all to the oil bath. Just to rinse anything I might have missed out. It's still coming out crusty. Take special care to make sure the camshaft gets rinsed, just in case any debris made its way down there. Alright, that's looking good now. see what kind of nasty comes out of this drain pan here. Okay, here it comes. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I'm afraid. What? Now, I know I put like 2 quarts in there just to rinse this out. What is going on? You gotta be kidding me. What is this? Oh God. I can feel sludge. Oh my God, some of that's coolant. It's terrible. Oh, there's another clog. Poke it again. No way. Yep, there's another clog. Oh, I can feel the sludge at the bottom of this oil pan. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's like Play-Doh. For the record, this is not the sludge that I washed down. This is buildup inside of the pan. There's more. It's not done. There is no way that's done. Huh, maybe it is. Okay. Look at that. Oh, this poor Jimmy. Okay, let's get the filter off next and see what's in there. I'm gonna save this filter and cut it open. I want to see what's inside of this thing too. All right, it's back on the ground. I'm gonna get some oil in it, and I still got a couple radiator hoses to change. Then I'm gonna garden hose the radiator out. Same thing with the heater core. Put those hoses on, and we're gonna go for a test drive and see if this thing's gonna live. Get in there. And 5 quarts.
And yes, I did install a new oil filter before I let the truck down.
Oh man. It lives. Love it.
Now remember, save your brutal comments on how bad I suck at my job until I post the full-length video, because this is just bits and pieces, and anything premature just wouldn't be fair. If you guys thought that this engine was particularly nasty, hit that like button and let me know about it in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget, have a great day.
Yeah, it'll be alright. Yeah, it is. Cool.